Chronic arsenic poisoning, arsenicosis, arsenism. Chronic arsenic poison may occur due to recovery from an acute poisoning, accident ingestion of small doses repeatedly by those working with the metal. Intake of food or drink in which there are traces of arsenic may be homicidal in nature. Tolerance. Some people take arsenic daily as a tonic or as a aphrodisiac, and they acquire tolerance to 250 to 300 milligram or more in one dose. Such people are known as arseniologists. Signs and symptoms. GAT symptoms: catarrhal changes, skin rashes, nervous disturbances. Condition in which measles can be seen in poisoning: arsenic, thallium fluorosis, severe infection, renal disease, cardiac failure, malignant disease. Signs and symptoms in chronic arsenic poison: GAT, nausea, vomiting, abdominal cramp, loss of appetite, constipation, diarrhea, salivation, ocular congestion, watering of eyes, photophobia, respiratory system, cough, hoarseness of voice, bronchial catarrh, hemoptysis, dyspnea, skin and nails. There may be rash resembling fading measles rash, speckled down brown pigmentation. They mostly on the skin, flexure, temples, shoulders, eyelids, and neck. Raindrop pigmentation. Macular areas of deep pigmentation may occur in normal or hyperpigmented skin. Leukomelanosis, hyperkeratosis of the palms and soles with irregular thickening of the nails and development of white band, opacity in the nails of fingers and toes called Aldrich-Mees lines. Brittle nails and alopecia are also seen. CNS, peripheral neuropathy with a tingling and numbness of hands and feet. Polyneuritis, anesthesia, paresthesia with a painful swelling, erythromelalgia, encephalopathy. Neuritis resembles chronic alcoholism. Serious hypertension, ischemic heart disease, cardiac failure, dependent edema. Renal chronic nephritis, urine may be red or green in color. Dysuria or anuria may develop from renal tubular necrosis. Hepatomegaly, jaundice, cirrhosis of the liver, hematologic bone marrow suppression, hypoplasia, anemia, thrombocytopenia, and leukemia. A metallic taste, excessive salivation, garlic odor of breath, sweat may indicate chronic arsenic poisoning. Melanosis and leukomelanosis with or without keratosis are the earliest symptoms of arsenicosis. Chronic exposure also causes diabetic vasospasm and peripheral vascular insufficiency. Black foot disease, peripheral vascular disease characterized by systemic atherosclerosis resulting in dry gangrene and spontaneous amputation of lower extremities. Squamous and basal carcinoma and Bowen's disease may occur. Raindrop pigmentation, hyperkeratosis of the palms and soles. Mnemonic for chronic arsenic poisoning: arsenic, Aldrich-Mees lines, raindrop pigmentation, soles, hyperkeratosis, erythromelalgia, neuropathy, peripheral neuropathy, icterus, jaundice, cirrhosis. Treatment: remove the patient from the source of exposure and gastric decontamination should be done. If there is evidence of arsenic in the GAT, vigorous scrubbing with soap and water will remove arsenic from the skin. Administer bile in usual doses. Vitamin B complex, IV sodium thiosulfate are useful. Hemodialysis is not indicated. Mineral supplement and antioxidant therapy are beneficial. Symptomatic treatment: when homicide intent is suspected, all hospital visits should be closely monitored and outside food should be forbidden. Postmortem examination: external emaciation, pigmentation, keratosis, alopecia, white streaks on nails, jaundice, wasting of muscles, ulceration of the nasal septum. Internal stomach, it may be normal, may show chronic gastritis. Some rugae may show patchy inflammatory redness or focal ulceration. Small intestine reddish with a thickened mucosa. Liver, hepatomegaly, fatty degeneration, or even necrosis with a non-cirrhotic portal fibrosis. Kidneys, tubular necrosis, myocardial necrosis may be seen. Bone marrow histopathology will show hypoplasia. If arsenic poisoning is suspected, hair or tissue samples should be obtained for confirmation. Medico-legal aspect: arsenic poison can be homicidal, suicidal, accident, occupational, environmental, iatrogenic, or unintentional. Arsenic homicide: arsenic was a popular homicidal poison because onset of symptoms is gradual, cheap, colorless, tasteless, odorless, easily obtainable. Symptoms similar to those of cholera. Small quantities required to cause death can be administered easily with food, drink, or betel leaf. Chronic cases causes debility resembles certain disease. Disadvantages of arsenic as homicidal poison, that is, it retried putrefaction. It can be detected in decomposed or buried bodies. Arsenic can be found in bones, hair, and nails for several years. It can be detected in charred bones or ashes. Suicide is rare because it causes too much of pain. Accidental death may due to admixture with articles of food or from its improper medicinal use. Chronic poisoning resulting from drinking as water containing arsenic. Arsenic exposure can be occupational in those working in metal foundry, mining, glass production, or in the semiconductor industry. Environmental contamination of water sources has become a major problem in many countries, including India. It is sometimes ingested or applied locally in the form of a paste or ointment on abortion stick to procure abortion. It may be used as a cattle poison. Postmortem imbibition of arsenic. Arsenic is the 12th most abundant element on earth. This makes it obvious that in postmortem, after exhumation, possibility of imbibition from the surrounding earth should be considered. Adequate control should be taken from surrounding and distant soil and groundwater, as any arsenic found in the soil may found its way by percolation from natural sources. Keratin tissue absorb arsenic by contamination from outside. The concentration in hair and nails thus contaminated is likely to be much greater than the concentration of arsenic in the contaminated fluid. Poisoning cases, concentration of the arsenic should be more than the soil groundwater. Thank you.